Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel a direct debit on Halifax. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a direct debit on Halifax. So this is pretty simple and I'm going to be showing you step by step on the other screen. So here you have these 6 steps. So first one, log in and select the account, and then go to pay and transfers. There in pay and transfers, as you can see, we have it here how it looks. You need to go there. Step here is to select direct debits. So we have standing orders and we have direct debits. A letter with final statement posted. Then locate payment and option menu. So go in to direct debits and locate it there. Cancel and confirm, of course. So as you can see, cancel direct debit. ACME Gym, so you can of course go and cancel it, and then of course final check and confirmation. So I'll be putting my camera off for this. So as you can see, letter with final statement posted. You'll of course complete it and the confirmation details, which you will get from them, which is pretty important. And that's basically how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.